And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another planning video. Every Monday, as I stated last week, I'm going to be posting a planner video. And I love filming planner videos. If you have been here for a while, you know 5 years ago around May I posted my first planner video, and ever since then the planner enthusiast in me has continued. So it is planning Monday. So we are going to do a decorate with me for this week. Today is Sunday, so I tend to plan on Sundays, so that way on Monday morning everything is done. So this is what my planner looks like. This is still the farmhouse planner. I've kind of done some stickers for August. Next week y'all will see like maybe a decorate with me for the month of August. So in here I already have my weekly meal plan. So today we are having keto bacon ranch chicken and as the following. So I just have this in here. I planned this on Friday, so I do already have that in here, and I do already have some stickers. So this is kind of like what we're going for this week. And then I just have my little paper clip. So I got some questions about where this sparkly band is from, and this is just an Erin Condren one. I don't think me and my big ideas or the happy planner has like a rose gold one, so I just put this on here since I already have it. Best for me. So we are going with a black and gold theme. That's kind of like what I went with this week. I mean last week. Well, it is currently this week, so you know. But yeah, it's like a purple, black one, and gold. And so this one I'm kind of just doing the same kind of theme. That's my favorite. So I am going to play some music while you watch me plan, and then afterwards I will fill it in and see what all I have to do this week. The color I'm going for is this pretty, I don't even know what you call that, salmon maybe, a very pretty pink, and I really like it. And the stickers that I'm using are from the Glam Girl. Unfortunately, I don't think Hobby Lobby carries this anymore. I got this for a really good discount. It is regular $19.99, and I think I got it for maybe $2. So that is kind of where I'm pulling from right now. Hey guys, so this is what this week looks like. I feel like I need something right here, but I don't know what exactly. It's kind of bare. I want like maybe, I have a quote, so I'm not really sure what I want to go there. Okay, so this is this week. I am going to try to find a pen in my messy office and craft room. I wish y'all could see. Oh, let's add a piece of pizza. So these are the pens that I have been using in my planner. Well, sorry for that, Callie isn't here with me. And these are just the Paper Mate ink gel. I'm just going to use black because that is my go-to. And I am left-handed, so I do have to do this. So this is what my week looks like. This is just kind of stuff that I know. I do have to, oh, I'm glad I just remember that. Okay. Had one last thing to fill in. So this is what this week looks like. I don't fill in a whole lot just because of like I do it the night before, so I don't typically do everything all at once. I normally just wake up Monday morning, and while I'm drinking my coffee and eating breakfast, I will go in and add more. The study is, I'm not in college right now, I have graduated, so this is for the AFOQT. And then I have my videos and YouTube stuff up top. In the middle is stuff around the house. And so is the bottom. If I need to put more work stuff, I will put it down here. But yeah, and then Saturday I have She Just Blooms. Sunday at church. Laundry day. Chores. And yeah, so this is my week. And now I'm just going to snap this in. Like so. And this is just the grocery list. I will go in Monday morning and fill that out. And I will also, once Sunday is over with, I will move this dashboard here. So any sticky notes I have is what everything looks like. And I hope you enjoyed planning with me today. And if you want to see more planner videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.